Oh, yo, mi gente. Somebody told me to check out this sparring clip with the one and only rising Puerto Rican prospect superstar, Keith Colon. They say, yo, you're in for a treat if you watch this joint. Just check it out. I ain't seen it yet, so we about to check it out real quick. Let's see what's going on right here. Okay, I could see that this joint look like it's like a sparring tournament, bro. Yeah, this joint like a sparring tournament. Hold up, let's check this joint out. All right. So this shout out to Parallel 8. Shout out to Parallel 8. This is one of the 8 Jones. I guess like a league for sparring. It's pretty interesting, bro. I had an idea like that before, but they was already out. Don't you hate when you have an idea and then when you get ready to, put mad pressure towards it to get ready to launch the motherfucker, somebody already got it, a platform like it. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to that, man. Great minds think alike. But here we got Keith Colon, bro, looking sharp. Keith Colon's the one with the blue headgear for the record. I'm not sure who the other dude is. He got a tight little jab, you know what I'm saying? He didn't really fully extend it. Maybe he wants to make sure that he stays disciplined on his defense. But I think he would at least got a little bit more success just kind of extending that, jab a little bit. Easier said than done, though. You're going against Keith Colon, man. He's proven himself a lot, I'm sure, since this. Now, real quick, before we keep it going, I just want to see when this was. I want to see when this was because I don't know if this was before he was pro or after. That would be very interesting. Okay, October 2024. Okay, so he might have had like only, I think he only probably had like one fight before this happened, bro. Maybe no fights because I know he only been active for a little over a year. So if he's pro here, he's a fresh professional. Like he just debuted probably not too long ago, or he just haven't turned pro yet. But let me see what the hype is about this joint, man. Looks like a regular sparring session so far. Pretty competitive. Nice little move by the other dude. Okay. All right, a lot of good sportsmanship going on. All right. Yo, I love the color of the gloves of Keith Colon, bro. Nice 1-2, but those gloves, that color just gives you that retro vintage, nostalgia of boxing type of vibe. The leather. Ooh, look, yo, hold on, bro. Hold on. This was crazy right here. Hold up. Oh my God. Oh my, with the guard down, just some Roy Jones type ish. Hold up. Toma. All right, let's see what's up. The shit that sucks about getting hit like that, there's not a guard for the bottom of your chin. You know what I'm saying? You don't have padding, under your chin when it comes to these headgears. So he felt that shit, bro. Ooh, nice body shot, nice right hand by Keith. They exchange it right now. He's not making it easy on Keith so far, but Keith is still getting the more success, it seems like, in this sparring session so far. All right. Keith trying to find his range. Nice little, overhand right. Okay, end of the first round. I'm not sure how many rounds they going for this. Let's see what's up. Make sure to subscribe to Parallel too. All right, or let me say Parallel 8 because it sounds like I said a number when I really meant as well. Subscribe to Parallel as well, but Parallel 8. Nice jab by the homeboy. in the red sweatpants, but it looks like Keith Colon found that timing as he kept throwing that jab. They exchanging pretty well right here. Again, it does seem like Keith Colon is getting the better of these exchanges, but bro right there is still in it. He's still getting some success. Here and there, not as much obviously, but he's still there. Ooh, nice little combination to get off of the pocket. Getting out of the pocket. Okay, nice jab. Ooh, he done knocked it down. Keith, that was smooth as hell. Oh, that was nice from his opponent. Threw it. Ooh, he snuck it in there. Keith snuck it in there. That was pretty dope. I'm not going to hold you. He threw like one to the bottom, one to the top, and it looked like he was going for a third one. But in that split second, he covered up real quick. He knew it, like his reaction was perfect timing. But still, Keith Colon now starting to tear him apart, man. Oh my God. Tearing him apart right now. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, he's doing him dirty, bro. Yeah, he's smelling blood right now. Oh my gosh, Keith is smelling blood right now. Now I know the hype. I'm not sure if this is all y'all was talking about quite yet. Oh, but what I will say is so far, it already exceeded my expectations. That's all I'm saying. He's fucking crushing it right now. Look at him controlling it. He say, yo, move your head, bro. Keith is just capitalizing. Bro is kind of overextending on some of his punches, but I think it's a habit for a lot of people. Anybody at that, no matter what level you on, you start to get a little anxious to land a punch when your opponent is getting a little bit too much success. Oh my gosh, he's playing with him right now. Oh my gosh, playing with him. Oh shit. Oh, he's going crazy now. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on. What's going on here? No, wait. Nah. He not doing. No. Holy. Nah. Wait. Now Keith Colon out here doing Salsa and a spinneroonie, bro. Now I know why Deontay Wilder was trying to do the spinneroonie, bro. He looked at Keith Colon did the spinneroonie, but you got to practice it, Wilder. You can't just be doing. This is how it's supposed to be done right here, bro. Bro, he just started dancing Salsa, back forwards. Hey, spinneroonie. Toma. Hold on now. We gotta look back. Yo, hold up, man. Shout out to his opponent, though. This is not, mind you, when I do these takes, I don't try to poop on the opponent. Mad respect to the dude there because he was hanging in there for as long as he was able to, but Keith Colon got a little successful picking his shots. So, it ended up turning into this. But damn, this was beautiful, bro. Hold on. Look at just going once, boom, one side, boom. Then the other side. And then he's just like, you know what? I'm going to just start. Yeah, bro. It low-key looked like he trying to dance. Oh, nah. Yeah, that was wild, bro. That was... Look, but he's still there. He's saying, nah. Homie's still there. He's saying, nah. It ain't over yet. Yeah, you see, he's getting anxious. He wants to land a punch like I was trying to tell y'all, man. They're saying it's over. Both sides are saying it's over, man. Yeah, man. Damn. Bro, hold on, yo. Hold on, man. I wasn't expecting all that. He was like doing the running man mixed with the salsa. Let's look it. You can see it. He did the running man mixed with the salsa bit because you see the little flavor. You see the flavor involved in the ish. You heard? Hold on. Wepa, you see? What? Right there and then right here. You see that? You know what I'm saying? He on it. Suavemente. He on it. He did the suavemente. First he did the running man. And then he broke out the suavemente right after that. And then he did the spinneroonie. Hold up. Right there, boom, running man. Boom, running man, suavemente. Right there, boom. Then the spinneroonie. Excuse me. Oh, here you go. Not gonna hold you, bro. That was impressive as hell, bro. Shout out to Keith Cologne. Make sure to follow Keith Cologne, bro. I believe his ish is called The Official Keith Cologne. Just want to make that clear real quick. Just so y'all know who to follow, man. Cause Official Keith Cologne. Puerto Rican rising prospect. I'll probably be having him on the channel real soon. Chop it up about his last fight and so on and so forth. And kind of see what we could kind of get out of bro, man. I'm trying to see what we could get out of bro, man. I'm trying to see I want to hear some exciting shit. I want to see what he got coming up next. What he got going on in training. Who he's sparring with. Maybe we could get some leak information. Who knows? But stick around to find out. Let me know what you thought in the comments. And I'm out. Toma!